Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this breakout from this triangle, and we will also take a look once again at this long-term uptrend line support as well. And I also want to show you this falling wedge pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me just start with this long-term uptrend line support. As in my previous video, I was telling you that there can be two situations, because I received some comments that I'm placing the trend lines as per my wish, but I told you two situations, two scenarios. One can be that you can see obviously it is following the wicks of the candlesticks, and for example, if we just place it on every wick and we just place it at the end of this week of March 2020, that was extraordinarily long week, then we can have it drop up to here. That will be approximately $17,000 to $18,000. But the second view is, and that is most probable in my point of view, it can be possible that Bitcoin is going to follow now this week of the candlestick that we had here in May 2022. That was up to $25,400, because as I've already told you that this was the candlestick that touched the Bitcoin low growth curves, the bottom of the Bitcoin low growth curves. And the previous history of Bitcoin shows that whenever the first candlestick touches the bottom of Bitcoin low growth curves, the next candle never sets a new low than the previous candle that touched the bottom of Bitcoin low growth curve. And if I once again place the Bitcoin low growth curves here, then you can see that this was the candlestick that touched the Bitcoin low growth curves after a long period of time. Now it is possible that this next candlestick or any candlestick will not set the lower than this low of the candlestick of May 2022. Therefore, in my point of view, now this trend line has found a support here at $25,400. And from here, at any time, we can expect a reversal move, or we may have a sideways move for the long time, because there's a monthly time frame chart at this uptrend line support. Now let's take a look at this triangle. Then you can see that we have already broken out. We had a short rally. We tested the support here. We again moved up and again almost tested the support, and still moving above the resistance of the triangle. This support is, by the way, very important at $28,600. If we will break it down, then on the weekly time frame we can test this red line. That is a 200 weekly simple moving average. That is also a very strong support. Okay, let me show you the target once again for this breakout that I'm expecting. The imminent target I was expecting up to $33,000, but it rallied up to here at $32,300. So this move is still due. If I copy this trend line from here and paste it here at this weekly falling wedge pattern, then we can see, let me place a trend line here at $33,000. Then we can see exactly at the same level. We also have a very strong resistance as well. Previously it has been breaking as a resistance here, as a resistance here, and as a resistance here on the weekly time frame. And if we take a look at this 4-hour time frame chart, then we can see that now the 50 and the 200 simple moving averages are very close. Previously we received the death cross between these two moving averages, even though this is a 4-hourly time frame. But sometime, even most of the times, when we receive the bull cross, especially when we are having such supports, like on the monthly time frame we are having this support, and on the weekly time frame we are having a long-term $28,600 in the support of this falling wedge pattern, we are getting bounced from these supports. Especially in this scenario, if we are going to receive this bull cross between these two moving averages, then we can also expect a soon golden cross on the daily time frame chart as well. Previously, when we received the bull cross or golden cross between these two moving averages, then you can see we had almost 18% or 19% rally, and then the price line again moved down and we received again a death cross. Now if we take a look at the weekly time frame, right now we are going to receive once again bull cross between this blue line and orange line on the weekly time frame by the stochastic. And if we take a look at the MACD indicator or oscillator, then we can see that it is also turning bullish, and especially in this scenario when we are getting bounced from these supports, these bullish signals can be really very significant and very important. And it is also possible that after these signals, like previously we received this signal here and we had a nice rally and we rejected by this resistance. Before that we received this signal here and we had a very big rally. Same as like that, we can expect another rally and at least up to the resistance, and after breaking out this resistance of the falling wedge, the target for the falling wedge can be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $68,000. However, I'm expecting that Bitcoin can set a higher than the previous high. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.